That's how you do a two-step, guys. I care about my child. And that's why I'm upgrading his headlights to some Turbotur LED lights.
You ready? You ready?
Hey,
you ready?
Oh,
you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Oh my God, yes. Oh, here we go. He has shitty ass halogen bulbs in this car. It's getting darker earlier in the wintertime here. So I was able to procure some LED headlights for the good old Honda Civic. The Civic. And they're not going to be too hard to put in, obviously. They're just headlights. They're H4s. 36,000 lumens of brightness, 900% brighter, supposedly by what their website says. Longer lifespan, CAN bus ready. Don't ask me what the hell that means. Easy installation, and they are built for off-road. Do not take your car off-road.
Why not? They said they're built for off-roading.
They lied.
I just want to off-road.
They lied. No off-road in the Pacifica.
Hey, we don't like liars.
Yeah.
I don't think they're lying.
I don't know. We're not taking it off-road though. So we're heading over to the garage right now. We're going to slap these guys in and get a nice little comparison between the old ones and the new ones. We'll put like one in the passenger side and leave the other one in. Just kind of give you guys a little incentive on seeing what an LED headlight looks like compared to a stupid ass halogen, and kind of go from there, guys. So yeah, let's head over to the shop and start getting to work. What do you think? Are you happy? Are you sad? I'm sad that you're happy.
You're sad that I'm happy?
Yeah.
Well, I'm happy that you're sad.
Wow.
How do you feel about that?
Unbelievable. All right, let's get over to the shop. All right, so we're here at the garage. Go ahead, Sky, turn these stinky headlights on. That is the stock headlights, guys. Stock halogens, nothing special, H4s, nothing crazy at all. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install one of these guys in probably that side, because that'll be a little bit easier. And we're gonna do a comparison to see what they look like compared to a halogen. You shut it off now. All right, let's get one of these headlights in. They're not that hard to put in. You just pull the back, put them in, plug them back in, you're done. So we're gonna get that done and then we'll come back. All right, so we have one of the LED bulbs in. Here's the old one. Good, Sky, oh, he's got his gloves on like he's doing anything. These don't take long to put in. It's like a 5-minute job, technically speaking. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Holy balls.
They do look a lot brighter.
Yeah, that's a lot brighter. That is a lot freaking brighter there. His headlights are probably not going to be aimed correctly because the clip on the back of this one is missing, but that's okay. They're still better than what he had. That is crazy bright. All right, let's get the other one in. All right, now we got both of them in. Go ahead and turn them on. Whew, that's bright. That's a bright. Come look at your boy headlights. That one's definitely goofed up.
Oh, they put a butt.
Yeah. Turn the shop lights off.
Pretty bright.
Still don't like how this one's kind of not in there properly.
Oh.
Dude, that's pretty bright.
Why is the music playing?
Because you're linked up to it. Yeah, I was going to say shut the door, but that is bright, man. They're definitely a lot brighter than what they were. You can turn the shop light back on. Yeah, they're definitely a lot brighter. Holy smokes. So yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen.
That's done. Let's see, we got some paperwork here with these guys.
I got a 1-year warranty, dude.
We have a bag for some reason.
Look at this. I got a 1-year warranty.
There's a 1-year warranty, extended warranty. Sky can scan that, take that home with them.
Okay.
What else we got? We have all kinds of information here, frequently asked questions, yada, yada, freaking yada. Look at that, guys. Good to go. These are yours. Enjoy.
That box. That's a pretty nice box.
Oh, yeah? Here we go.
That can be a giveaway. That can be your first giveaway.
An empty box?
Yeah.
No, take your stupid gloves off.
No, I can't steal.
What?
Guys, I need your personal.
Oh, here we go. Here we
my
go.
key tag that I have purchased for The Honda Civic. All right.
The Honda Civic.
What do you guys' thoughts on that?
That's about. This will be a good little thumbnail right in front of the car there. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. That's a good thumbnail. That'll be the thumbnail for the video. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's all done and over with. He's enjoying his ATOTO radio as well. That's doing real good. What time is it right now? Do we have time to hook up your reverse camera?
It is approximately 2:50
Is it?
p.m.
Are you lying?
It is currently 2:50
Oh, okay.
p.m.
I guess we'll probably just go home. We'll do that another time. So we don't have the rear camera hooked up on his car yet, which ain't no big deal. Stand by. How hot is this thing?
It's pretty hot.
Okay, I was gonna say we could take the EGR off and do that gasket since we didn't do that and get that seal up. We think he has a gasket leak. I think this gasket's leaking. We might end up getting another gasket for him and redoing the valve cover gasket, honestly, because it's either that leaking or the cam thing's leaking. Something's leaking some oil. It's not a whole lot of oil. I told him to keep an eye on it though, because we don't want this thing to go dry on oil. You know the other thing that we need to do? This is really pissing me off.
I need a whole. Hey, watch your language.
What?
Watch your language.
Shut up.
We need to do headlight housing.
Yeah, but they got to be for H4s now that you got headlights.
All right.
So make sure they're H4 headlights.
Housing. Boom.
Yeah. Oh, we already talked about the wing, didn't we?
The wang.
The wang.
I gotta put that on something.
Well, the other thing we should do is, since this all exploded and had its little fucking fun, the other thing we should do is power wash this entire engine bay at the car wash.
I agree.
Actually, we could do that now.
I need a car wash.
Do you want to do that now since we have some time?
We should.
Yeah.
We should, yeah.
All right, we're going to the car wash, guys. All right, we have a nice clean car now. This guy washed his engine bay, and he washed the car.
What the heck is that thing?
That is a Cadillac.
Like a brand new Cadillac.
Yeah, it's one of the brand new SRXs,
really,
I think.
like a junk.
Yeah.
Like a piece of junk.
But kind of a short video, guys, just showing nice headlights. Now I know he's going to be safe at nighttime, driving with some good bright LED headlights. Other than that, guys, link in the description below if you're interested in some LEDs. Other than that, we're going to peace out, Girl Scout. And subscribe, Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, hit that notification bell, and deuces, guys.